Hey everyone, welcome back to Rare Coin Review. If you love discovering hidden treasures in everyday coins, you're in the right place. Today's coin might surprise you. We're reviewing the 1993 South Africa 1 cent coin, a small copper coin that could be worth up to $25 in the collector market. So stay till the end, because I'll show you why this coin is collectible, what makes it valuable, how to identify it, and how much it's really worth today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss rare coin discoveries. Let's start with the basics. This is the South African 1 cent coin, minted in 1993. It was produced by the South African Mint, just 1 year before a major historical change in South Africa. Key facts. Country: South Africa. Denomination: 1 cent. Year: 1993. Material: bronze copper-based. Shape: round. Edge: plain. Even though it's a low-denomination coin, history and rarity give it collector value. Now here's what makes this coin special. The year 1993 was the final year before South Africa became a democratic nation in 1994. Coins from this period represent the end of an era, making them historically significant. Collectors love coins tied to political change, end-of-era minting, transitional history. That alone increases interest and long-term value. Let's take a closer look at the design. Obverse front displays the South African coat of arms. Symbolizes unity, authority, and national identity. Clean and detailed engraving. Reverse back shows the denomination, 1C. Features native plant elements. Year: 1993, clearly visible. The design is simple but meaningful, which collectors appreciate. Now let's talk rarity. While millions were minted, high-grade examples are hard to find today. Why? Many were heavily used. Copper coins were down fast. Most were never preserved. Coins in uncirculated or near-mint condition are becoming scarce, and scarcity drives value. So how much is the 1993 South Africa 1 cent coin worth? Here's the breakdown. Circulated condition, $1 to $5. Very fine condition, $8 to $15. Uncirculated/mint condition, up to $25. Important: value depends on condition, surface quality, no corrosion, collector demand. Professional grading can increase buyer confidence and price. Here's how you can check if yours is valuable. Check the year. Must be 1993. Look for sharp details. No heavy scratches or corrosion. Original color, not cleaned. Never clean your coin. Cleaning can reduce value. The 1993 South Africa 1 cent coin proves that small coins can hold big value. If you have old coins lying around, check them carefully. You might be holding a hidden gem. Como bido? Have you seen this coin before? Would you like a full South African coin series review? Like the video. Subscribe to Rare Coin Review. Turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next rare coin discovery.